Starting around 30 September 2023, Theta organization especially is exchanging at 64 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta essentially has a sort of complete market cap of $644,378,648, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,108,793. This for the most part makes Theta organization, Theta, sort of positioning at 55 in the digital money market in an exceptionally enormous manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization generally be really worth in 2023 in a quite enormous manner? Is Theta organization a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very critical? Will Theta cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which is very critical? These certainly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they basically thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost truly is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of 91 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to truly be 87 cents. Showing how in a real sense is Theta organization and in every way that really matters, wise speculation are truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Theta can for the most part arrive at a really greatest value level of 99 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization especially is gauged to in every practical sense be at around an exceptionally least worth of 73 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta organization value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large limit of 82 cents, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value expectation September 2023, Theta organization cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Theta for the September truly remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value figure October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of 81 cents. While the truly most extreme determined cost especially is around 90 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The really normal cost for Theta especially is fundamentally anticipated to by and large reach 84 cents in October 2023 in an unpretentious way. Theta value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is gauged to generally be at around a very least worth of 84 cents, or so they truly thought. The Theta organization value worth can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of 95 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, showing the way that the Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of 95 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at a genuinely least worth of 87 cents, while the sort of most extreme determined cost in every practical sense is around 99 cents in a genuinely large way. The very normal cost for Theta sort of is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach 91 cents in December 2023 in a very huge way. Theta organization genuinely passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been basically diminished by 0.82% in its genuinely current worth. So the truly normal cost for Theta most certainly is truly anticipated to reach 84 cents in October 2023 in a sort of large way. In the event that we for the most part look at the especially current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in an unpretentious way. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Theta all things considered was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.98%, so Theta organization truly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been somewhat diminished by 0.82% in its kind of current worth. So the by and large normal cost for Theta basically is truly anticipated to reach 84 cents in October 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Theta organization especially has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how this in a real sense makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 55 in the cryptographic money market. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta basically diminished by 44.354%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of 51 cents from its really current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an especially decent explicitly purchase an open door for pretty fast venture, exhibiting that Theta organization sort of has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to sort of dive right in and contribute. Exhibiting how this truly makes Theta organization, Theta, sort of positioning at 55 in the cryptographic money market, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 38.86%, and the cost in every way that really matters, coursed from a base exceptionally normal cost of 97 cents to especially greatest certainly normal cost of $1.06 in the in every practical sense, recent days in an extremely large way. Theta organization fundamentally is somewhere near 14.54% with the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin truly was around 78 cents and the truly least kind of typical cost of in a real sense was around 76 cents in truly beyond 4 months, showing how especially is Theta organization a sort of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Theta organization value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be Theta organization fundamentally worth in 2023 in an especially large manner? The Theta cost especially is gauged to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 99 cents, with truly least cost of 87 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Certainly further appearance how Theta value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization explicitly is determined to for the most part be at around a sort of least worth of 73 cents in a by and large significant manner. Does Theta organization most certainly have a future, which especially is very huge? As far as value, Theta organization for the most part has an exceptional especially potential to especially arrive at new levels, showing how inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta really diminished by 44.354%. Killing an incredible by and large normal amount of 51 cents from its kind of current worth, which truly is genuinely critical. It truly is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, exhibiting that Theta organization by and large has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely of potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to truly dive right in and contribute.